Namaste friends. Hope you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. Today we are having one topic, that is nightfall. When a sperm gets out in the night in dreams due to the sexual activities in dreams, that is called nocturnal emissions or nightfall. It is a condition in which semen discharges involuntarily during sleep. It is commonly occurs in adolescents and young men. Occasional nightfall is a natural physiological process, but frequent episodes may indicate weakness of the reproductive system, nervous system. These are the problems may arise. Causes of nightfall. Excess sexual thinking for or fantasies, watching pornographic materials, excessive masturbation, weakness of the nervous system, hormonal changes during puberty, indigestion and constipation, irritation of the genital organ, lack of physical exercise. These are the common causes. Signs and symptoms are involuntary discharge of semen during sleep, sexual dreams before emission, weakness and fatigue in the morning, pain in the lower back and knees, mental depression or anxiety, poor memory and lack of concentration, dark circles around the eyes, general physical weakness. Pathophysiology. During adolescence, the body produces increased testosterone and semen. If semen accumulates and is not released through normal sexual activities, the body may discharge it during sleep. However, when the nervous system becomes weak or the mind is excessively stimulated by sexual thoughts, nightfall may occur frequently. Now friends, we are coming to the point, that is what are the homeopathic medicines. I am making these all the videos for the awareness of the general people of our country, so that they should know that homeopathy works in all the problems, all the diseases very nicely and very effectively. What the people are saying, don't go on that. You take your self-confidence and move towards homeopathy. Meet a homeopathic doctor. So we are coming to the point, night emission and homeopathic medicine. Acid force, frequent nightfall with extreme weakness, mental exhaustion, loss of memory, emissions with the dreams or without dreams. Selenium, frequent emissions even without dreams. Thin semens, great weakness after emission, sexual debility is very much. Staphylococcus Staphylococcus, nightfall due to excessive masturbation. Sexual dreams are too much. Nervous weakness is also there. So, Staphylococcus should be taken in 200 C. I will tell you later regarding the potency and doses. Caliphos, Nightfall due to mental stress and nervous weakness. Fatigue and depression is also there. Weak memory is also there. So these are the main symptoms of the caliphos. Nectar phos. Emissions with sexual dreams associated with the acidity and digestive troubles. So natrium phos will be the medicine. Calcarea carb. Nightfall in weak or obese young persons. Profuse sweating is also there. Physical weakness is also there. So calcarea carb is the medicine. So friends, now we should know the lifestyle, how we can lead. God has given our body a birth on this earth for a better movement. Yes, sexual desire is necessary, but don't do these all the ugly things. It will not harm your emissions only, but it will harm your brain and the next generation which are coming. They may come or may not come, or maybe you will become infertile. Avoid pornographic materials. Don't see mobile or laptop too much on this subject. Take light food at night. Maintain mental discipline and positive thinking. Avoid excessive masturbation. Sleep early and wake up early. So friends, today it's all for this subject. I'm leaving right now. Again I will come with the next subject, next topic, which will be useful for the general people. Thank you. Long live Bhumiti, long live Hanuman.